5 reasons bakit mag-invest ka na. Bago ko simulan ang topic na ito, narito ang 5 what-ifs na dapat nating masagot. 1. What if you live too long? 2. What if we retire and stop working at age 60? 3. Can we have the lifestyle that we want? 4. Who will take care of us if we don't have money? 5. Would you plan to be a burden to your family? I hope may sagot ka na. Kung wala pa, stay connected ka muna para malaman ang 5 reasons bakit mag-invest ka na. 1. Job security is a lie. These are the 6 contributing factors. 1. Personal. Ito yung di mo gusto ang trabaho mo and ginagawa mo o ikaw ay napipilitan lamang. 2. Physical. Ito yung may physical requirement. Kunyari, di ka physically fit. Yung height mo, yung weight mo, at saka yung appearance mo. O di kaya pag ikaw ay nagkasakit. Minsan din, di ka mentally fit. 3. Emotional. Ito yung behaviors mo sa work. Example, bullying, backbiting, peer pressure, and boss pressure. 4. Environmental. Ito yung hostile ang environment mo. Hindi kaaya-aya para sa health mo o kaya sa physical mo. 5. Economical. Ito yung di sapat ang sahod mo. Ito ay maaaring dahil sa increased cost of living. 6. Technological. Dahil sa advancement ng technology. For example, automation, online marketing, and robotics. Automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. Manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut costs. Summary for reason number 1. Your job can disappear anytime. Advanced technology will make workers obsolete. Reason number 2. Fixed salary is a trap. Prices of things get higher but your salary doesn't. Yes, maybe you have an annual increase but it's not enough. The inflation will still beat you. Reason number 3. Capacity to earn will diminish as we grow old. We cannot deny the fact that we will all grow old each year. Kasama sa pagtanda ay ang pagbaba ng kapasidad o kakayahan natin sa pagtatrabaho. Halimbawa, madali nang mapagod, hingalin o di kaya'y dahil sa ating mga karamdaman. Reason number 4. Inflation. Ito yung pagtaas ng mga presyo ng mga bilihin at pagbaba ng halaga ng pera. Example, kung ang bigas noon ay nasa 20 pesos pa, ngayon ay nasa 40 pesos na. Average inflation rate per year is at 5%. Kaya kung ang pera mo ay nasa savings account lang at nagbibigay sa iyo ng 1% kada taon, ay talagang lugi ka pa rin. Reason number 5. Capacity to grow and double your money. Dahil sa investing mo lang maaaring malampasan ang inflation at dahil dito lamang pwede maaaring dumoble ang pera mo. Dahil dito, pwede itong maging income replacement mo kung sakali ay wala ka ng trabaho at makakaiwas sa tax. Para sa summary ng 5 reasons bakit mag-invest ka na: 1. Job security is a lie. 2. Fixed salary is a trap. 3. Capacity to earn will diminish as we grow old. 4. Inflation. 5. Capacity to grow and double your money. Sana ay may natutunan kayo at hangad ko na makapagsimula ka ng mag-invest. For investment inquiries and seminar, contact Marilyn Yolanda S. Galiena, email at mariegiliana@gmail.com or add me at Facebook, Bonsai Giliana. If you feel this content is good, then it deserves a thumbs up. Please help me share this and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.